Okay, today we're going to be opening a kind of mutant. I can't read.
Mutant Mania? Mutant Mania, Mutant Aid.
Okay. And we're also going to be opening one of these. Let's open the big one first. Come off quite nicely. Woo! Yeah, got it off. So this is it without its wrapping. Let's see what's inside. There we go. So we've got some cardboard, some instructions. And more instructions for how to put them together. And okay. Okay, we're going to be opening the one we got with the tin. I'll show you after, so don't worry if you can't see it. It's got these little pin things that you need to pull out in order to put it together. Get that. And you pull them together like you just like that. Clips on. Oh, this one's got the pin. Sorry if it's taking a little while. Oh, the lights fell off. No, I can just say. And this one's gonna pop on like so. Oh, look at him. And now we've got this one. It's out of the way. And what do we have? Ooh. We have quite a lot here. Okay, and I think this one goes to him. Looks like a bit. Looks like Groot from Guardians of the Galaxy. If you've ever seen that movie. And this one goes to this one. Okay, on. And we've got him. Got some instructions and some paper telling us how many things we can get and how rare they are. Got the one on the front cover, and he's pretty cool. And thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, and let's see if we can get 20 views.